Hi, I'm Kevin, and I live in Southern California. I live in a suburb 30 minutes outside of Los Angeles, and I've basically lived there my entire life, but I'm going to be moving to Arkansas in the fall to start a medical program, so I'm super stoked for that. But before I do, I have to, finish this class as a prerequisite. Um, so yeah, besides this class, I'm currently not in school, but I graduated from UC Santa Barbara in 2015 with a major in with a degree in psychology and a minor in professional writing. So I'm sort of a career changer, and finally, it's paying off. I finally get to go to medical school, which is awesome. But that being said, I've never taken an upper division science class, so I'm kind of nervous for this, but at the same time, I feel like it's obviously going to prepare me or kind of give me a taste of what to expect in medical school. Um, so yeah, besides this class, I'm not currently taking any other classes. I currently work full time as an orthopedic scribe at an outpatient clinic. So that's super interesting and fun. And then besides work, in my free time, I do have a dog. He's an 90-pound pit bull mix, and so he's a lot of work. He's a lot to handle, but um, yeah, he's my dog, and I like to go on hikes with him. I like to take him to the park, um, and I basically spend a lot of my free time with him. And then besides that, I like to cook. I do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I'm currently a white belt with my fourth stripe. Soon to be my soon. I hope to soon get my blue belt. So cross my fingers for that. If anyone else does that. But yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm super excited to be in this class, and I am super excited to meet everyone else.